guess what? G7. The longest train that I ever did ride was 100 coaches long. The only woman that I ever did love was on that train and gone. On that train and gone. On that train and gone. The only woman that I ever did love was on that train and gone. On that train and gone. So who's gonna shoe your pretty little foot? Who's gonna glove your hand? And who's gonna kiss your ruby red lips? Who's gonna be your man? Again, just a very nice little strum. Thanks for watching.